Welcome back, Central Texas. Happy Friday. We are taking a look outside at our Tex.cam where you can see things are a bit gloomy. You can also see the roads are a bit damp. This is the Brazos River down in Waco, South Temple, Fort Hood. You can see visibility is reduced across the board for all of us as we do have fog in our region. So once again, things are off to a bit of a foggy start regardless of where you're located at here in Central Texas. Taking a look at our forecast though today, the biggest thing is going to be about the winter storm that is on the way to our region. Winter storm warning as well as an extreme cold warning on the board there for us. You see that stationary front. That is the reason why things are so damp. Things are so foggy into the start of our day. There's a chance for isolated showers as you're waking up this morning, but coverage will pick up as far as rain is concerned, especially as we get into the afternoon, evening hours. You can see rainfall amounts getting a little bit closer to widely scattered activity is what we're going to see, some of which could produce a few isolated thunderstorms here and there. By the time we get into midnight, though, that's when things all change here for us. It's likely by the time we see midnight tonight, we will see freezing temperatures settling in. There goes that chance for freezing rain, and some areas will not be cold enough just yet for that to translate into freezing rain. So regardless if we're seeing freezing rain or not, the thing is as the weekend goes on, temperatures continue to drop. If you're not seeing freezing rain, that regular rain has a chance to stick, or there's still that chance for freezing rain to continue into your Saturday evening. Sunday is when things start to dry out. Things get even colder. A very, very low chance that whatever moisture is still in the atmosphere will have such cold and dry air. There's a very low chance of maybe a few flurries, but coverage-wise, faith is not too high for that right now is what I'm looking at. Either way, we'll see sunshine starting to return as we get into your Sunday evening into Monday morning, and that's really going to be the only saving grace in our forecast as far as things to kind of help clear this out. We do have mostly sunny skies in the forecast as we head into the new week ahead. Not just the freezing rain is a concern. Like I said, the regular rainfall that we see, we are expecting anywhere from about an inch, 2 inches of rain. So it's likely even today you may see some isolated puddles, rainfall expected and moving into your Friday afternoon. So if you still need time to plan, for one, I hope there's items in the store left, and two, like I said, make sure you're staying safe within that chance of widely scattered activity. Ice accumulation, we're not looking at great amounts of ice to produce, but up to about a quarter of an inch, half an inch is going to be expected, and it doesn't take much to really cause some strain on those power lines. That's another concern, is the possibility of power outages. Besides all the precipitation that we'll see, wintry mix or not, Arctic air is going to arrive for us. You see how it really dips into the south as we get into Monday. Even though we're anticipating mostly sunny skies, we'll have dangerously cold temperatures, and that's what's going to still allow us to have weather impact alert days as we head into the new week ahead. Single digit wind chill values Sunday morning. Many areas are likely to see single digits, even below that is going to be possible as we get into your early Monday morning. -3 here in Temple. If you don't have to be outside, I definitely would not advise you doing so. But like I said, we still have to get through all this moisture today. Things are foggy, dense fog advisory through 10 a.m. across the board. Look at how these temperatures drop. Even at 37 degrees you see low for today, that's obviously not for the morning. That is as we're ending off the back end of our Friday into later on today. Temperature-wise over the weekend, things are likely to not rise above freezing for most areas. Weather impact alert does bleed a little bit into Tuesday morning because you can see I do have a morning low of 10 degrees both Monday morning as well as Tuesday morning. Dangerously cold temps on the way, but we will see once again those mostly sunny skies to kind of help to melt whatever does happen to stick across our region.